guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you guys. Let me grab my stuff. Okay, it's full of hair accessories because hair accessories are becoming extremely popular again. Certain types of hair accessories, and of course I'm doing this after I cut my hair. I'm happy with it because like it's a fun new thing, but I'm also like I miss my long hair. I'm gonna be really happy as it grows in. It's gonna be a long time until I cut my hair again. I feel like I have a mom haircut, you know what I mean? And I'm not a mom. I have no children unless you count Mr. Orange and the 2 grown men I take care of. Moving on to the actual reason that we're here, hair accessories. So I picked up a bunch of stuff from Forever 21. If they still have them in stock, I will link them down below. So lots of hair accessories. I've never done a hair accessory video. Anyway, so I got this little head wrap thing. It's super cute. I thought it was going to be like a softer material. This very polyester-y feeling. Are you going to tell me what you're made out of? Rayon. I was hoping it was going to be like one of those really soft, snuggly ones, but it's okay. I don't mind. It is very, very pretty. And as my hair color changes, I think it will still like look good with everything. You know what I mean? So, it's not a head wrap, it's a headband. Did I say head wrap earlier? That was me saying the wrong things. I apologize. But yeah, it's really cute. I don't wear them often. I definitely wouldn't wear it like this because this looks crazy. I'm not doing things well, am I? There you go. That's more like it. Really soft and cute. It kind of wraps around it. You see it peeking out. I think that's a really cute look, huh? Huh? I don't wear them often because I don't like always have the patience to put them on, but I'm gonna try harder. I am. I'm going to. I will. So, moving on, the next thing I have is this headband. I always love doing my makeup with these on. I haven't been wearing them simply because I keep on forgetting where they are, and they're like right next to my camera, right in front of over there, but I forget that they're there. If they're out of sight, they're out of mind, and I don't remember them. But this one is really cute. It has flowers on them, so they're really, really cute. They have to be straightened a little bit, but you know what I mean. They're all there. They're adorable, and I love them. I do wish that the ears were a little bit bigger. This kind of feels like child size on my head, but I have a big head. I love it. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. How much did this cost? This costs $4.90. Not bad. Thank you Forever 21 for not sponsoring this video because nobody knows who I am. I don't remember how much this was, but I'm assuming it was close to the $5 range again because most of these things are. The next thing I have is this little hair tie here. I'm not going to put it in my hair right now, but it's really pretty. It's also throwing off my lighting. It has these cute little mauve and black stripes on them and on it. So the little tails are kind of like a scarf thing, so you could either have a ponytail high or low, tie this on there, or even a bun and just like have it hang, or you can put this on and then use this to like go into a braid. Huh? How cute is that? Or just like tie it in a bow once you have your hair tied and then add like more interest to your hair. I am gonna be doing that. If you guys want to see like a tutorial on different ways to style this one little thingy, let me know. I also got a couple of scrunchies because I love scrunchies. I wear them in my hair all the time. Well, actually I'm wearing them a little less because I've been using the little invisible thingy. This one isn't an invisible. It's from Scrunchie. Or is it Scrunchie? I don't know how to say that brand, but the little invisible wannabe thing. It works really well. I am a very big fan of it. Anyway, I got 2 scrunchies. Oh, this scrunchie, the fancy one. Shh. This, I forgot to tell you guys, was also $4.90, and each of the scrunchies were $2.90. So, oh my gosh, look at how the blue looks at this. Look how the yellow looks at this. I love these colors so much, especially during the spring and summer. But the yellow, I feel like, is like perfect for fall too because it's that warm little pop of color, and I die. I love it. I also got these little clips, I don't think I'm gonna be using them because they are a little too young for me. She says that she wears a cat ear headband, but they're these really cute little butterfly clips. This was $1.90 for the set of 2. They're really adorable. I think I'm gonna give them to my big sister to put on my baby niece. They're so cute. So cute, and they're gonna look so adorable with her like really light brown hair. My sister says she's blonde, but I don't see the blonde, I see brown. Anyway, next I have this little barrette. It's a single one. I already threw away the packaging, so I don't remember exactly how much it costs, but I would say if you want to get one of these, just order a set from Amazon. That way you get a larger variety. I think this was like $4 just for this one little thing, and that was before I even looked it up on Amazon and found that there was a ton. So you don't need to buy a single one for like $4 or $5, $6. You can go to Amazon, get yourself a pack of 12 for $8. That's so much better, and they all look different. So anyway, I really do like this. It's absolutely adorable. Faux pearls are getting really popular right now, and originally I was seeing a lot of these on BuzzFeed, and I was like, those are ugly, like who the heck would want to wear that? And then I actually saw people styling their hair with these, and I was like, that's actually really cute. So here's what it looks like on my hair. Really adorable. I am a huge, huge fan. Also, my face and everything else just looks like the wrong color. Everything just looks like a different shade. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I have to either tan all over and use a darker foundation or just completely stay out of the sun. The reason why this isn't matching this is 1, because I suck at picking foundation shades, and 2, I am trying out the Juvia's Place foundation today and I picked the wrong shade once again. So that is why. Also, I touched up my lipstick while my camera was cooling down. Moving on, I love this little barrette. I used to say beret all the time. I just thought that the beret for French people was their hats, and for Americans it was our clips. But no, these are not berets, they're barrettes. I have a 4.0 GPA and I don't know anything. Great. The next 2 I have, I don't recommend getting because they suck to use unless you are going to pair them with an updo. If you're going to do it with your hair down, these are really difficult. It's the ones that have the little ball here and it snaps. So you see that with the little ball at the top and it snaps down where it's supposed to. Snaps down, right? So when you're putting it in your hair, especially if you have like thicker hair, it's hard sometimes to get it in your hair and then find the ball again, because it can not the ball, but the post can move. And so these are very frustrating because you have to find the ball, and if your hair is too thick, if you have too thick of a section, it won't shut. So if you're going to use these to pair them with more of an updo, like if you have a bun and you just want to embellish it with something, that's what these are good for. I actually ended up buying 2 because I love them so much. I think they were $2.90. They're absolutely adorable. So if you don't mind the annoying mechanism, I highly recommend it. They're absolutely adorable. They're gold, and I always have, like when I was younger, I really despised gold. But as I get older, I kind of like it more and more. If you see me while I'm out somewhere and you see this in my hair, know that I put a lot of effort into getting it in, okay? Because it is very difficult and very frustrating. And if you see 2 of them in my hair, you know that I was feeling especially good that day, and I wanted to make sure everybody knew it. I highly suggest getting the ones that are more like the clothespin type, if you know what I mean. I don't know exactly what they're called, and I don't have any to show you, but they're the ones that like open like this, you know, like this, but they're flat like that. You know, it just makes putting them in your hair so much easier. But how cute is that? Huh? That's adorable, right? And that is the whole haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around for those, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, the difference in colors. so bad. So bad.